What's up, Elite Algo members? Today, I want to show you guys a very simple swing trading strategy that you can use on any time frame above the 1 hour, as well as any asset when you're trading futures, crypto, stocks, forex, pretty much anything, and get a very high win rate and high probability trades. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the strategy and show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into it. Obviously, what we want to do first is add our indicator on our charts. To do this, we're going to go ahead and go to indicators, and we're going to go to invite only scripts and add it right here, ESPrem. If you're using chart labs, then you can simply go to indicators, then the elite section, and then click on Elite Algo there. Now, what's going to happen is that you're going to have your signals look like this on your charts, the buy and sell signals that you see using this indicator, but we got to go into the settings and change a few things in order to make the signals look better, and as well as add our confirmations that we're going to be using for our trading strategy. So in order to do that, very simple, just double click up here. It's going to bring up this little section. If you can't double click because you're on a phone or something, you can click this little gear icon right there. Then what you want to do is you simply want to turn on this section down here, Elite Auto Tuner, and you're going to set it to medium term. What's going to happen is that the algo is automatically going to fine tune the sensitivity for you and pick its own sensitivity according to the medium term session, right? Because we're looking for swing trades, we want to do a little bit longer trades. So go ahead and do that. Next, we're going to go down here and enable the trend cloud as well as the trend scalper. Very simple. Next, we can do it if you want to. You don't have to, but you can do the elite volume profile as well. Right over here, then press. This is where the strategy gets extremely simple, guys. So right now we're looking at micro gold futures on the 4-hour time frame, as we can see, and we can see these are our signals right over here, guys. In order to enter our signals, we only need really 2 criteria that's very important for us to follow. The first one is we only want to trade it if it says smart signal. So that's a smart sell, as we can see, right? And then we only want to trade according to the color of the trend cloud, but also according to the volatility of the trend cloud. Let me explain to you exactly what I mean by this. So right now, as we can see, looking at my charts right here, we have a red trend cloud, right, guys? And because the trend cloud is red, we should only be looking for sell opportunities. So our sell signals. We don't want to be taking any buy opportunities. So all these buys that you see right here, right there, we don't want to trade, guys. It's very important to understand this. It's okay to miss these movements that slightly go up. We're not looking for these. We're looking for these big movements that go downwards, right? This is how we're going to get a high probability win rate and a very high win rate at that. So what we're going to do, again, is simply just follow these rules. Next, one more rule I want you to follow is you have to look at how that trend cloud is behaving, guys. What do I mean by this? If the trend cloud is going downwards, that's okay. If the trend cloud is slightly sideways, like this, for example, we don't want to trade this. This is a no. So what this means is that we're in a ranging market, and what this means is that we're in a trending market. Unfortunately, you cannot make money when you're in a ranging market. It's almost impossible to actually get the proper volume in order for it to hit your take profit when you're trading. So this is what we're going to avoid when we're looking at it. So this is very good. And then you can also use the volume profile to see the pullbacks into that volume profile. And I'll show you what I mean by this later on in the video. But again, the same, right? If we're thinking buy, we only smart buy. So smart buy as we see. And we only want to be trading if this green trend cloud is completely going upwards, right? Again, we don't want to see where it's like this, right? We don't want to trade this. It's very important, right? So if we go back and take a look, what do I mean by this? Over here, guys, this is a perfect example. In this scenario, even though we have a green trend cloud, we don't want to be trading because we can see that the trend cloud, guys, is flat, okay? That's the biggest rule that you guys have to follow in order to make this actually give you a very high win rate, okay? And then lastly, another rule to follow is that if the candles are too far away, for example, over here, for example, we want to ignore the signal, right? Because there's a good chance that the price pulls back into this trend cloud and then continues back up. That's it. That's the rules for this. Now, let me show you guys some actual examples using the replay function so you guys can understand exactly how to look for these in real. Okay, so here's an example of a good scenario, okay? We can see very clearly, if we zoom out just a little bit, look at this. We can see this trend cloud is trending downwards, guys, right? As we can see the price came back up and touched the trend cloud before coming down and giving us a sell signal. And then if we took a look at this volume profile, we can see that in this section right here, this is an area of massive resistance. So these two areas right there. So we can kind of expect that the price is going to continue coming down. And we also have absolutely almost no resistance on the way down, guys. And we can see this from the volume. Okay. So this an idea that this is going to be a high probability setup that we can go ahead and take a trade. And then we can also take dashboard over here. We can see that we're majority bearish on the day, guys, and on the week. So let's go ahead and remove these drawings now. Just get out of the way. And then from here, we can go ahead and just take a short signal, guys. Now, for your stop loss and take profit, two things you can do. The first thing is you can just set your stop loss behind the swing high, like this, for example. You can use the volume profile to, okay, behind the big nodes, right? And then you can target a 1.5. This is what I typically do, something like this. Or you can go back into the settings and you can simply just go ahead and use the built-in take profit and stop loss feature. So if you just go ahead and enable this right here, you can move it off to the side first. You're going to see right there, guys, stop loss. Okay, and you can follow that as well. I personally just like to use my own. That's really up to you and what you guys prefer. From here, guys, you can see the trade. This is set up. We go ahead and take a sell, and we can see the price is going to go back down and just absolutely smash our take profit just like that. It's going to be that simple to take a strategy here. Sorry, take a trade using this strategy. So let me go and show you guys a couple more examples just so you guys really understand how this actually. So here's another example, guys. This time for a buy signal. We can see again, green trend cloud. It's moving upwards. We got our smart buy right here. We see that over here in the general upwards direction, we don't really have any strong resistances. And the price came back down into the strong resistance right over here, guys. This is where the price came back down into. So from here, again, we can go ahead and take a look at the trend cloud as well. And the dashboard, look at the green. We have all our confirmations that we want to look for. For here, then we can go ahead and take a long setup. Our stop loss behind the swing low, something like this, for example. And we target 1.5, right? We can just simply just let the trade go. And we can see price is eventually going to go up and smash that take profit. Now, what if I want to maximize the amount of money that I can make on a upwards trend like this one right over here, guys? There is a couple things that you can do. So the first one, quite simply, is once it hits your first take profit, close about 80% of your position, right? 75, 85, 8% position. Go back down here, and then you can enable the trailing stop loss and make it trail by 1% or something like this. And then it's really faint here. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but there is a green. If I make this dark, you'll probably be able to see it. You see that little green line right now? That's our trailing stop loss, right? So what you can do is you can go ahead and customize that trailing stop loss to trail as little or as more as you want. And then you can simply just keep that trade going until the price hits that trailing stop. Like right here, for example, you could have closed, or you can wait for the price to close underneath this trailing stop and see how much more you can go ahead and get from that, if that makes sense. Very, very simple to understand this strategy, guys. And that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys have any more questions about this strategy, all you need to do is ask a question in the comments down below, and go ahead and send us a message on our Discord as well if you have. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave in the comments down below. I'll make sure to read every single comment and answer every single question that we get. Also, you can go ahead and join our Discord server. The link will be in the description. In the Discord, you can go ahead and also ask us questions, but also ask other traders who are using the same strategy questions as well. And you can also follow the trades that we take every single day ourselves. So when you win with us or with us, very, very simple, guys. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, keeps us motivated to make more videos. Have yourself a good day.